Hello, in this tutorial we will take a look at how do we check if the folder exists or not in the directory. Here I have my Windows PowerShell open. Let's go ahead and write a command that can test whether the folder exists or not. To do that, you will use test path. I do have a folder, as you can see, one over here which has this folder. However, we will test it and see if the folder exists or not. So I'm just going to put a double quotation, hit my path, and let's just say we'll write this folder which actually does not exist. So let's see the result, and the result is false because that does not really exist. Now what if you would like to really store a value of this test into one of the variables? So let's go ahead and define a variable and then write exactly the same command which we have just written. So I'm just going to define a variable that starts with $, folder exists equals, and then we will write the same path. And there you have it. Now if you see, it has not actually displayed the false on a screen because now it is actually stored in the variable. So what we need to do is let's take a look at the value of the variable, which is folder exists, and as you can see, it is now stored in the variable. I hope you like the simple tutorial that teaches how do you check if the folder exists or not, and how do you store a result in the variable. Thank you for watching.